Let's take a look at arrays. So the big thing with arrays is that when they get really long, we should separate them out into multiple lines. So here's an example of a short array. Even though this array contains some simple values and some key value pairings, we can keep this all on one line because it's so short. However, when arrays get long, and they do an awful lot because Drupal uses arrays as metadata to a lot of the APIs, then we want to go ahead and split each item onto its own line. And this is particularly nice with associative arrays because we get to see what the key is on the left-hand side and what the value is on the right-hand side, so they become a lot easier to read. And you see there's particular spacing here, an extra indentation on all of the items that belong to the array, and then the closing parenthesis is on its own line. At the very end of this array, we have a comma, and this looks like it might be a syntax issue, but because PHP allows for this comma at the end of an array, it's nice to keep there just in case we want to extend this array. So if I wanted to copy this and paste it as some scaffolding for a new array item, I can do that. Let's go ahead and keep moving. We're almost done here. Quotes.